So it was kind of a funny thing for me. After I bought the yoga trapeze, I got the email about the training course, and initially I thought this would be a great way to improve my own personal practice. After being in the course for the first 2 days, I then started to realize the business potential behind it. Because outside of doing yoga trapeze, I run a production company that staffs dancers and models for nightclubs and casinos. A lot of the girls that I staff have a lot of problems with their backs and their feet, and trying to build strength is always an issue for them. So it's given me an opportunity to give something back to them as well. Before I even left Barcelona to go back to New Jersey, I already had like 3 inquiries of people wanting to try a discovery class. And then I started generating more clients just through Facebook and Instagram. So I'm kind of a mobile yoga trapeze teacher. I teach in multiple places. My first studio I got was in a gym, which is really kind of a cool dynamic because I feel like I get different type of student out of that space than I would if I were to be in a yoga room. I feel amazing. Ever since I started with the yoga trapeze, it's opened my world up to everything from nutrition to just living a healthier lifestyle. And since then, I've made some dramatic changes in my life that I feel are going to carry me on into an older age. It's also given me a lot of encouragement to take this further and to keep trying more things.